holidays, everyone. This is Chef Seren from the Morongo Kitchen Bakery. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a traditional pumpkin pie. This is a great recipe to do with small children because it has very little production. So, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to put into our bowl is our eggs. This is 2 whole eggs and then 1 egg yolk. This is going to make it nice and custardy. Going to blend those together. Now we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of brown sugar and our 1/3 cup granulated white sugar. And again, just break up those chunks of brown sugar. Here is our 1/2 teaspoon of salt, our 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground clove, 1/2 a teaspoon of lemon zest, and then 1/8 a teaspoon of cardamom. So I get that all nice and blended evenly. And then I'm gonna add in my pumpkin. So this is canned pumpkin puree. It's just a whole lot easier to get a hold of and a lot easier to use. Last is gonna be the evaporated milk. I'm going to get my frozen pie crust, pour it in all the way to the top, a little bit more. And then I'm going to put this onto a sheet pan and put it into a preheated oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to reduce the heat down to 350 and continue baking it for between 40 and 50 minutes. At about 40 minutes, I always double check it. I'm going to insert a knife into the center of it. The knife should come out clean, but look moist, like water has been stuck to it. So this is my ready-made pie. I made this last night. As you can see, it's got the crack in the center of it. That's from me testing it. Most people, cracks are inevitable in a custard pie. It's not like it's been over-baked. It's just a weakness from testing it. So I'm going to cover it up with a little bit of whipped cream. And there we go. Pie for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed watching our video and making it as much as I did. If you want to pick up a pre-made pumpkin pie, you can purchase one at Pink Coffee in Morongo Casino. I hope to see you soon for more good times at Morongo.